All right, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nis, and you're in Nisdotexe. This is the weekly overall review I do in my experience as a data analytics student. In the past week, I haven't really done much other than keep up with the family and brush up a little bit more on Excel. I see myself, going a little bit, above and beyond an Excel area. I guess as far as the standard of knowledge, I seem to be stumbling over my words, but pretty much, I find myself in a spot where I'm okay with Excel. In SQL terms, I need practice a lot more. I recently took a LinkedIn exam that humbled me. So I'm a 32% of people that take that test, I'm better than them, and it only gives you the badge if you're on the top 30%. So I got about, let's say, 40% to go to jump, and I don't think I'm going to get there. So I was humbled in T-SQL, and I'm going to be going over a project hopefully tonight on a live stream, and trying to incorporate something like a weekly challenge into my YouTube channel so I can, you know, push myself a little bit more to learn more things and interact with the community I'm trying to build here. If you come back, thank you. I appreciate you for returning and seeing what's happened this week. At the beginning of this video, I was a little rambly, and I'm still trying to get my bearings when it comes to YouTube and talking. But I appreciate you. Appreciate if you've liked the videos, and if you like me coming back every week. I appreciate if you hit the subscribe button. Currently, I see that only 1% of people are subscribed to the channel, so I really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button, so I can continue working on these videos week to week and updating you guys and myself in the future about my progress in the program. So appreciate you guys. I'm gonna stop my rambling and get back to work, but I appreciate you again. Always remember, your joy equals happiness. Peace out, everybody.